Established in the year 1976 in Surat, Gujarat, NC Tools is a leading manufacturer of unified high-tech products used in diamond industries. Our range of products include auto polishing machine, angle setting machine, trimmer machine and press machine. The founders of NC Tools, Nilesh Panchal and Dharmesh Panchal, have elevated NC Tools to new heights with their hard work and dedication. We aim to produce world-class products with 100% customer satisfaction, fast service and competitive prices to our valued customers. Let's explore our products and their features by understanding the entire process of diamond polishing. Firstly, the trimmer machine is used to shape and size diamond holders. Holders play a key role to hold the diamond in place during the polishing process. Then the press machine is used to set the diamond with die in the holder. Other processes follow thereby. Then the angle setting machine, which uses an HD camera and a proprietary software for real-time monitoring for all parameters such as height, diameter, angle and weight. These parameters are then fed to set the angle of the diamond, thus making sure that angle is set correctly. The diamond is then forwarded for polishing. Now, the most important part of the process, auto polishing machine. This fully automatic machine is used for crown diamond polishing of 8 main and 16 halves. Firstly, all the measured parameters are fed in the control panel and then polishing progress begins automatically. This machine uses symmetry axle parameters for cutting so that polishing is performed close to the axle, thus bringing the much needed light and luster for diamond polishing. The machine is equipped with a vibration sensor which prevents breaking of uneven diamonds with tension. Moreover, its error detection system instantly lifts the machine to protect diamond from damage. We have comprehensive in-house manufacturing facilities like fabrication unit, hardware unit, assembly unit and our proprietary software. We provide demo job work at RJD Business Hub, Katargam to help the clients make better buying decisions. Test before buy. Satisfaction guaranteed. We also provide 1-year warranty and AMC services. Maximize your business with minimal workforce in diamond industry. Why wait any longer? Do contact us now. NC Tools.